Hey guys, I'm back again for another airdrop video, and this time it's going to be about the mint chain. So in my previous video about airdrop alpha updates number 10, I did briefly feature about the mint chain and how to take part of their expedition, in which they have confirmed that they will be doing an airdrop to the participants. So this is what I am going to focus right now in this video, but with more details and guiding you on how to complete the first phase of the Mint Expedition campaign. So before we get things started, I'm inviting you all to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. And kindly take note of the disclaimer that is found right here on the screen and in the video description. They will be allocating 12% of the total Mint supply to Mint ID stakers, Green ID holders, and Mint Expedition users. So where could you find the Mint ID? So this is the one, and you could actually buy them right here in the Blur and in their Mint chain pool. And as for the Green ID, guys, so this is where you'll be getting it, but there are some Green ID rules in which we'll go to that in a bit. And of course, generally for Mint Expedition users, in taking part of their campaign, in which I am also going to show it to you in this video. Okay, so this is how you're going to mint the Mint ID in either of these marketplaces. So you could see that it's currently available in the OpenSea and in the Blur marketplace. So all I have to do is to connect my wallet and choose any of these. So in my case, I choose MetaMask. Since I am a Rabby wallet user, if I click MetaMask, Rabby will automatically pop up. And it goes like this, so I connect. Okay, so sign in wallet, so I create. So right now I'm connected. Now if you want to mint them at this price, so I'm going to click this, and so if you have some enough Ethereum, well, you can just click buy now for you to get your Mint ID. And what about the Green ID? So you could see that they have the Green ID rules. So you could see more information right here about the Green ID, your unique SBT on the Mint mainnet, or simply known as soul bound token. Meaning to say, if it's soul bound, it is not transferable. It is permanent, embedded to your wallet address that is used to mint this Green ID. Now, if I am going to scroll down, so you could see the exclusive benefits of the Green ID, such as representation of mint tree rights, daily me boost, part of Mint Pass, and view your mint tree anytime, anywhere. These are the perks that you will be getting. And of course, how are you going to activate your Green ID? So you could see the steps like bridging your Ethereum to Mint in their native bridge or their other supported bridges, and then check your Green ID NFT box in the Mint Forest. Click the box to view your inactive Green ID and click activate, in which I am going to show it to you right here in this video. So you can see the important notes. Only users with activated Green ID NFTs are eligible for future Mint airdrop allocated for the Mint Forest. Mint Forest users can activate their Green ID NFT on the Mint mainnet at any time before the Mint airdrop event. New users of Mint Forest will automatically receive an inactive version of Green ID after check-in for 7 consecutive days. So take note of that, and you can see its official smart contract. So I'm going to show this to you in a bit, and of course more information as well. When you're going to activate your Green ID, you need to have a little bit of Mint Ethereum to pay for the gas fee. But the question is, where do we get that? By using their native bridge from Ethereum to Mint Ethereum. If I'm going to scroll down right here, guys, you can see the rewards dashboard. And these are my points and also the NFTs that I've collected. And also, shout out to the one who have used my referral link, okay? And you can see the Mint Expedition landscape. So we have 8 phases of the Mint Expedition. And we are now in the phase 1, which is the Explorer's Base. If I'm going to scroll down, so you can see that I have already completed some of the tasks here. So to get things started, you need to bridge to Mint first. So I'm going to click on this. You could see the quest type and the award. So I bridge now. All I have to do is to connect your wallet, whether if it's MetaMask or any other EVM compatible wallet. What you need to do is to deposit your Ethereum to the Mint blockchain, okay? Let's say you want to deposit like 1008, but of course we have to switch network. And then we bridge the Mint blockchain by default. So you can see right here, guys, about the additional tips. Like if you are depositing more than 2 ETH or withdrawing more than 0.5 ETH, go to the official Mint Super Bridge, as well as bridging USDC, USDT, and Wrap BTC. So I click send. You could review this and then confirm and send. And you can see its simulation. But since I've already bridged, so yeah, I'm gonna cancel for now. So once you have successfully bridged, we can now begin, guys, to complete this task. But of course, very important above everything else, so you need to hold an activated Green ID. So if I'm going to click on this one, the point is 200 MP. You just have to go to their Mint Forest and then go to activate. So we are in the Mint Forest. Let's try to explore something here. Notice this bubble. It refreshes every 24 hours after you click this. It is treated as your daily login, in which it will reflect right here in the check section. As of today, guys, I've already logged in 8 days straight. So remember about the article that I have shown you that you need to check in for 7 consecutive days. So once you have done that, this box right here will appear. But here's a catch. It's not going to be instant. It took me at least more than a day for this to reflect in my Mint Forest dashboard. This is just based on my personal experience. So to log in, well, you just need to click this bubble once every 24 hours to keep your streak going. Why is it that there's more than 7 days? It is because right here in the invite, so you need to sign in for 14 consecutive days to automatically receive an invitation code or complete task and automatically obtain an invitation code after accumulating 20,000 Mi. Right here in the Mint Forest, we are collecting some Mi's here, or simply known as the Mint Energy. And as for the task, guys, you can see right here, if this is your first time, I think there are like 5 tasks. So since I've already completed 3 of them, I have 2 left. So before I'm going to share this, I need to activate my Green ID, which is found right here in this treasure box. But before I'm going to open that, let's try to explore even more. As for the BP, this is where you're going to check your mystery boxes and your staking box. So going back here on the check, when you have successfully logged in for 7 consecutive days, so a mystery box will appear. So after clicking it, so there's an airdrop right here, like a parachute, and then it drops the box. And then you just have to open it. And of course, they also have a spinning opportunity. So if you want to get a free spin, so you can share your Mint Forest journey here on X. So let's say I want to do this right now. Okay, so this is the template. So let's say I am going to post. So I'm going to view. I'm going to copy paste the URL of this post, and then I go back to the Mint Forest, and then I just have to paste the URL, and then I click verify. Congratulations, you have received a chance for a free spin. So all I have to do is to click this one, and let's see if I'm lucky enough. Let's see how much did I get. So right now I got 100. Okay, I'm gonna close. But of course, if I want to spin, so it cost me 300 Mint Energies. And then you can see the history record as well. And of course, the game rules. Now that I have this one, the 950 Mi, I'm still short of this one because it needs 1,236 Mi to upgrade to level 2. But anyways, so we have the option here. We can customize how much Mi that we want to inject to this plant. So let's say I want to inject all of them. I'm gonna drag this and then I'm gonna click inject Mi. Alright, so it goes like this. So I'm still 286 Mi short to upgrade to level 2. And as for the search box, so you could enter your tree ID here. Okay, so this is the main highlight of the Mint Forest. So right now, guys, our goal is to activate the Green ID. And it has some rarities here as well. The higher the Mi in Green ID, the greater the rewards. So note this one, guys. This is still an inactive Green ID. So we need to activate it right now. So I'm going to open this. And this is the one. So I'm going to activate it. And then my Rabby wallet pops up. So you need to have some gas fee in the Mint chain. I already have the Mint Ethereum. So I sign in create. I confirm. You can see right here, guys, that I'm now at level 1. Green ID boost 15.7%. Now that we have activated the green ID, so we go back right here in the task, and then I choose share activate your green ID. So I'm going to do it. And this is the default one, but maybe I should try to customize this a bit. And then I just click post. Then I click view. And then I just have to copy its post URL. And then I just have to input this one right here. And then I just click verify. So I have 3,000 me. Because I have 3,000 me, I can now level up to 2. I'm going to use them all. So I click inject me once again. Alright. Congratulations, your mint tree has upgraded to level 2. And you can see right here, guys, that this is the indicator where I have successfully activated the green ID. And assuming that you have already completed this, you can do this other task. Like, for example, mint mainnet commemorative NFT. So I'm going to click this. So this is where you're going to mint your commemorative NFT. And assuming that you already have your Ethereum on the mint mainnet, you just have to mint one NFT. So since I've already done this, so I don't need to mint another one. And of course, right here, own your .mint DID domain. You just have to click this and then go to mint.space.id. So notice right here, guys, that I already have my own domain, nomadfury.mint. So let's say if you don't have your .mint domain, so you just have to click this. Let's say you want to mint your domain. Let's say Nomad Mint. So it's available. So you have the option here to customize your number of years of registration. Okay. So the registration price is 0.0015 every year. And you have the option to set it as primary name if you wanted to. So let's say you're okay with this. So we click register. And then it pops up like this, guys. You can see its simulation result. So all you have to do is to sign and create and then confirm. And then you wait for the transaction to complete until you finally own and minted this domain. Okay? So since I already have my own, so I just have to cancel. The next one would be creating our NFT collection. So I'm going to click this. So since I don't have one yet, we can create either on OmniHub, NFTs to Me, OmniC, MintPad, or CreateX. And let's say we go to the OmniC. So let's say I want to connect my wallet first. I choose Rabby, and then I connect. And then for example, I want this one, the Unlimited Edition. So make sure that I will switch to the Mint. Okay, so I'm going to find it. So I click next. Alright, let's say I want to make it bonfire at night. And then let's say I want to make it like until the 31st. So I set. Then for the royalty, I stick to none and non-transferable soulbound. So let's say I want to make it SBT if I wanted to. So I click next and then add NFTs to your collection. So I click upload. This is the bonfire that I have originally captured. So I want to launch it on Mint. So you can see the progress. Uploading file to IPFS. File successfully uploaded. Saving the metadata. Okay, so I have to confirm the transaction. Now I just have to click sign and create. And then I click confirm. Alright, so I've already created and deployed my smart contract for this. And finally here. So I'm going to click this. So we could verify them in the Explorer. I would like to go back here for additional note. Remember that you may need to mint one NFT for your newly created collection to activate this task. How can we activate this? Notice right here, there's what we call the add phases. So I'm going to click this. So there's what we call the collection settings. But since I am the creator of this, so I will be going for the pre-mint. I will set it to 1. And then I just have to click mint. Okay, so we sign and create and then we confirm. Alright, so the transaction is completed. Now that I have minted straight to my address, pre-minted successfully. So now that we have finished, it says right here created, check your dashboard. So I'm going to do it right now. And it's done. Now that we have finally created our NFT collection. And the next one would be the Intract. So I'm going to go here. We complete tasks available on Intract to earn corresponding NFT certificates, all of which are eligible for mint token airdrops. So I go to Intract. Here's the thing, guys. In order for you to mark this as done, you need to complete all of these 4 quests, okay? Take note of this event dates. You may not want to miss it. So for Mint Expedition Season 1, let's say you want to mint this. Make sure, guys, that when you're going to connect, your primary wallet should be the same as the wallet that you have used to participate in the Mint blockchain. Basically, guys, you just have to complete this social task, and then you just have to mint these NFTs, and then you just have to verify until everything will be completed for you to mint this. Okay, and the same process when you're going to finish all of this for quest. Okay, there are more on socials and minting your NFTs on the Mint chain. Own your VIP3 card NFT on the Mint chain. So if I click this, and then it says, secure your VIP3 card NFT on Mint and enjoy cashback on trading fees, gas fees, and other charges across more than 100 plus dApps. So they are soul-bound tokens, guys. And there are 3 types as well, the silver, gold, and diamond. So the higher your level in the membership, so you have more exclusive benefits. So if you want to mint your VIP3 card, so just go right here, and this is how it looks like. Now, take note of this. There are some social tasks here. So when you're going to connect your wallet, so you have 2 options. Either you could mint directly at 0.08 ETH, or you just have to complete the task to free mint. Make sure, guys, that you chose the Mint mainnet to proceed. So before you're going to mint, make sure that you complete all of these social tasks here on X and verifying your email. So assuming that you have completed all these tasks, so what we're going to do is to mint VIP3 card, which is a soul-bound token. So I'm going to do it right now. And then it pops up like this. So we sign and create. I confirm. Transaction is completed. So you can see right here, claim a cashback within 1 hour to earn 50 as VIP3 points. That is if you want a USDT cashback when you are going to swap in any of these supported decentralized exchanges, okay? And you can also invite to get VIP3 Gold Pass. So you just need 2 friends for this. And also we could use BitGet and join Discord to gain additional SVIP3s. So I'm gonna go back. The next one would be holding an MS404 NFT. So if I click go, so you could see more details right here on what you will be expecting while participating in the minting event of MS404, and you could see its benefits, for the holders. And you can see right here, each MS404 NFT can be effortlessly converted into 10,000 MST tokens. If I go right here, so I've already connected my wallet. Now you can see its benefits and utilities like the staking reward, the LP reward, and the trading reward. And of course, the mint airdrop would be the additional benefit if you hold at least one MS404 NFT. You could see its NFT allocation and the conversion ratio and its contract address. Right now, guys, we are on the public minting stage. So the whitelist minting has already ended, in which the minting price is at 0.028 Ethereum. That is 30% discounted, but right now, guys, is 0.04 ETH. Okay, so if you want to mint one, so you can just do so right here, and you can mint up to 3 MS404 NFTs per wallet. And you can see the MS404 gallery right here, guys. Okay, and of course, as of this time, the whitelist minting event would end on July 29th. Coming soon, we'll be having another task here, so stay tuned for that. So once again, guys, if you would like to take part of the Mint Expedition campaign, in which they have a confirmed airdrop to all of the participants, either Mint ID stakers, Green ID holders, and Mint Expedition users. So I would really appreciate if you're going to use my referral link or code that is found right here on the screen and in the video description. So I would really appreciate some honest feedback from you guys regarding the video that I have for you today. And if you have some questions that were not covered right here in this video of mine, I would try my best to answer them for you, or you can just simply head over to the official socials of Mint Chain and get in touch with real admins and mods to potentially answer your queries. And guys, once again, I'm inviting you to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. And if you think that this video is quite helpful and valuable to you, kindly do not hesitate or think twice and share this to your friends out there, especially those who are so enthusiastic regarding airdrops, DeFi, NFTs, and so much more. So I do have a question for you. Did you enjoy watching this video? Has this video helped you a lot and gives value in any way? And what to think about it? Just let me know right here in the comment section. So once again, this is Nomad Fury, and I'll see you all on my next video.